We want to thank you all for joining us for the 3rd Annual Fourth Revolution Awards.
Well, the fourth industrial revolution is all about the digital world and the physical world coming together.
The fourth industrial revolution is a metamorphosis of what's happening in the manufacturing industry.
We had hundreds of applications across 8 awards. There were 26 industry leaders judging, a pitch competition to determine the Rising Star Award, and a public vote to dictate Product of the Year.
The winner is NeoGuard by Neopenda.
How totally awesome was it that the product design team of the year was all women?
Accenture, Boston Consulting Group, and McKinsey & Company as the 2019 Corporate Champion honorees.
Matrix 4 of Woodstock, Illinois.
From Emmanuel.
Other people in other cities said manufacturing is part of the past. We said no, it's part of the core part of our future. Your success, this evening's success, Chicago's employment in manufacturing. We had a great history, but our future is even brighter.
Manufacturing renaissance.
300 below, cryogenic processing for manufacturing.
It's our pleasure to congratulate Siemens as the 2019 Manufacturer of the Year.
Geobit. Momentum's growing. However, somewhere along the line, tech became synonymous with digital technologies. We know that's a false perception. Advances in hardware and physical processes have always been the catalyst for industrial revolutions. Thanks for coming out tonight and this very important week, Manufacturing Week. Together we will drive the fourth revolution forward right here in the Midwest.